Our next MoU signing for establishing the Center of Excellence in DMI College of Engineering, Chennai.
Okay. Mr. Jacob.
I would also humbly request the state coordinator of Tamil Nadu, Ms. Gayatri, and Mr. Jaikar to please join us up on the stage.
And Ashwin. Mr. Ashwin.
And Mr. Ashwin. Please join us up. All right, so with this, I would request the team AICRA, the President AICRA, Mr. Rajkumar Sharma, and the representatives of DNI College of Engineering, Chennai, to kindly sign the MoU. And let's mark the beginning of this wonderful association we are about to have. In the favor of all the students, I think this is really remarkable. With this, we complete the signing of MoU between Team AICRA and DNI College of Engineering, Chennai. Let's hear it for this association, everyone. Sir, I would request you to kindly say a few words. Can we have the microphone? Yeah.
So first of all, I would like to thank AICRA for giving me the wonderful opportunity. I am Dr. Nalagesan, Principal DMI College of Engineering, Chennai. Our society, DMI Society, is running more than 5 universities across the world in Zambia, Malawi, Kenya, and one university in Nagaland. In Tamil Nadu itself only, we are offering 7 engineering colleges, 3 arts and science colleges, more than 40 schools we are running here. So first of all, we represent the DMI College of Engineering, so they take the initiative to signing the MoU. So hereafter, we are planning to go for all other institutions. So it is the robotics and automation is the need of the day. So already we have signed the MoU for start of the Center of Excellence in the AR, VR, augmented reality and virtual reality. So the students are focusing on the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the robotics and automation. So this is a wonderful opportunity to me. I once again thank the AICRA and especially the sir. He only introduced the AICRA to DMI group. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I would request Jaikar sir also to say something. Please.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Let me first thank Rajkumar Saab for the leadership that he has shown in AICRA, and that the scope for AICRA, the need for AICRA, the robotics and automation in this country is very much required. Yes, one of the steps we have taken in Tamil Nadu is to identify DMI College. DMI is a group which has its presence in about 6 to 7 countries. In addition to that, they have a major presence in Tamil Nadu itself. According to me, I think 4,000 to 5,000 students would be benefited by robotics and automation education. That's only DMI group. They also are planning to start a medical college, so there is a possibility where we would like to look at bringing robotics and automation into the medical field also. That's also one of the things which we are trying, and we will be going ahead with that. Let me thank each one of you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.